the pride of AGN, my mentor, my brother, my teacher, my friend, Mr. Dr. Benjamin Ten. Please, Dr. Ben, unmute yourself, and the stage is yours now. Thank you so much. Thank you once again for coming here.
Power, power, AGN power. Warm, warm welcome our chairman, our mentor, our coach. Power, power, our chairman power.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Hello, how are you? I remember today is another Saturday. This is very good part of the week. As a matter of fact, I see somebody won the raffle to the what do you call this? The raffle of HBBA today. I think we have somebody under Mr. Arpan and Mr. Tariq, right? Congratulations, guy. Congratulations. I hope Mr. Kemarodin is here today. If
Yes,
not,
sir.
it's okay. Is he here?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
he's
All
here,
right.
sir.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you and congratulations. Today is a very exciting day. I think it is a happy Diwali to our Indian people. Okay, I think I hear fireworks today in our area. So I think happy celebration, and I hope this is a very prosperous celebration for you. But anyway, what we're gonna do today is to talk to you about how important is a project. Why do we call the business as a project? Because usually, I have in my career as an engineer, I have been running project for a very long time. And until today, I still run this AGN and all the projects that we have as a project. So I want you to learn the wisdom about really running a business. Okay, business is, of course, most of us that understand business is something that we open up, and then after opening up, we have to work forever until the end of our life to most of us. In reality, I learned this thing very well when I was a career engineer. I thought I will be a career engineer for the rest of my life, but I found out that there are better opportunity out there other than just working for somebody else. Remember, guys, that there is a quadrant about this. Mr. Kiyosaki talk about it. It is the quadrant is like EBSI. E for employment, S for self-employed, B for a business, and I for investor. I don't know where you belong, but I don't belong for E because I am not an employee. I don't belong for E because I am not a self-employed. I don't belong to investor because I really don't have a lot of money to invest. Because I watch the market, I am a very little investor to tell you frankly. But I know that there are other opportunity, and the opportunity is about entrepreneurship. It's about business. So I want you guys to treat this networking that you have as a business. I want you guys to treat this HBBA that you have as a business. This is an advertising business in reality, but there is a referral program behind it, for us to be able to help other people succeed as well. As a matter of fact, the concept in here is very simple. They said that the more people you bring in, the faster you can have financial freedom. As a matter of fact, I learned this thing from my teacher in networking. His name is Ziglar, S-I-G, Ziglar, Zigler. Okay, he has been very, very helpful to me because of the knowledge and wisdom that he passed through me. Okay, which I am probably the second generation to that. And that the concept is you can succeed in this networking business if you can help enough people get what they want. You can succeed in this networking business if you can help enough people get what they want. So, in other words, if they get what they want, you will get more because this is a referral business and this is a networking business per se. So that's what we need to do. And then what I'm going to do today is I will show you my overhead slides so that you can follow through with me, as we go together and learn my wisdom in networking business. So this is what we have, okay? But first of all, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what we are as a company, or as you could say, as a team. Okay, with this slide, you can see I put a picture of people that are pretty excited. What I learned about excitement is that you cannot make other people excited if you're not excited. So first thing that we need to learn into this business is that if you are very, very excited, people will ask you, why are you excited? So then you're gonna tell them is that because I just earned my income this Wednesday and it is really very, very well. Every Wednesday I earn this income from HBBA. And then they will ask you, what is this HBBA? It is actually a work from home, earn from home. It's a home-based business advertising. That's what it's all about. That's what it means by HBBA. I want you guys to understand that very carefully because when you talk to people, what business are you in? The answer to that, the best answer to that is I am in advertising, which is really true because we are working with a home-based business advertising. There are many ways of advertising today. It is not like putting a billboard in the street, along the highway. It is not just about putting, advertising in the newspaper or on television, but we can also do advertising in a social media today. As a matter of fact, the one that showed us how to make a lot of money in advertising is Google as well as Facebook. And then everybody has a Facebook because it's free to have a Facebook. But in reality, we are just a medium of all this Facebook doing because he is using us to advertise many product of company or companies that are working with them. And we are watching all this advertising every single day as we play in our Facebook or as we read the messages in our Facebook today. So it's a very interesting twist of advertising concept. So with HBBA, there's a little twist on this advertising concept that we have. So this is actually, you can see AGN. AGN is actually what they call association. We are the association of global networker. And as an association for global networker, okay, I want you to understand that we are actually developing numbers of membership throughout the world. And as we do this, they will work with us as a part of AGN. And AGN is not my own, it is actually for all of us. This is actually devised by multiple people that are into the network marketing business and also understand investing and understand businesses because we believe that we need some kind of a union in order for us to be working together. So this is the idea of AGN. AGN is an association of a global networkers. Even you are not a networker, and if you are an entrepreneur, because once you started to begin a business with AGN, then you become an entrepreneur. So I want to call you entrepreneur or a business person. So my friend, you when you people ask you, please don't tell them you are an employee. You are a business person. You are a business-minded gentleman or women or a lady. Okay, and this is what I want you to practice, because this is a business. This is an opportunity, income opportunity that is much, much better than employment. As a matter of fact, I myself, I retired when I was 42 years old, because I was working for a company called Siemens at that time. It's a German company in telecommunication as well and in health businesses. So this is the company I used to work with, and I ran projects for them. And really, I'm making good money. But at the same time, I'm building my network in one company in the USA. And then after 6 years of working with my project with this networking company, I succeeded and I resigned and I retired at the Siemens job. And from then, I never get back. So that was 31 plus years ago, my friend, that I did retire from my job. And network marketing was very kind to me, and I pushed and I followed through with this. Now I am not just a networker, or I don't even want to call myself networker. I call myself as a business entrepreneur, and that's what I am. I consult to several company. I was a mentor to several individual that I know that they have businesses of their own. And I develop a compensation plan, as well as I train many leaders in the industry. So this is what I have been doing, and I am glad when I met Mr. Obaid, my co-founder of AGN here in Dubai. We decided to put this thing together back in December of 2019, after an experience that we had, that one company that we are working shut down on us. Okay, so that's what it is all about. So this is the industry that right now is very unpredictable, but I know success is predictable. Companies are unpredictable today. So this is what it is all about. So I figure out, or we figure out, that maybe the best way to do is to unite together, and not only to unite together, but provide services for everybody. So this is what we come up with. To define AGN, AGN is a non-profit organization created by experienced professional in marketing, networking, investing, trading, and also new in the business, to provide the necessary support, assistance, and help for all the AGN members, and protection on fraudulent acts and companies and unethical practices of many leaders in the network marketing industry. This is what we want to do, and this is the mission that we want to accomplish. AGN consists of you and me and us, the affiliate and associate of this AGN, the human resources that gives the power of AGN. That's what Mr. Tariq is saying a while ago. Power, power, AGN, power. So we all of us deserve the benefit of AGN opportunities, not only to enjoy success, but also to overcome challenges. And we are AGN for sure. A true AGN member listens to their heart before they speak out. This is important. So with AGN, we have AGN training and education system. For you guys, is free of charge. As Mr. Obaid is saying, I am charging many people into a training. But since we founded this thing for, I could say, for free, that means to say I am offering some of the wisdom that I have for you guys. And I hope you can take this wisdom and don't take it for granted, because they're very important knowledge for you to apply in whatever you do. AGN, we have two kinds of AGN membership. We have the associate and also the affiliate. Associate, actually, they have a fee of $10 per month. If you want to participate in that, welcome. And with this, you can have our protection. The protection that we have is, of course, that we always find a way how to get you a project, a multiple project that we have that you see. So that is important, so that you will never have what they call a blank period, or you can say no time that you don't make any money anymore. We will always have continuity. That is very important. The most important in every network marketing is the support system. If we don't have the support system in any company, it's very hard for you to educate tens of thousands of people. So we need to have a system in order to do that. At the moment, we have 4 projects. We have HBVA, we have the Walpart APPI, and also the Orbit World. All this thing is possible for you if you want to look at it very carefully. You can join on each of them, so that if you have 4 projects running at the same time, whatever happened with one, it doesn't matter. You still have 3 left behind. And no one can determine the life of any project, my friend. They are dictated by the demand and supply. They usually come and go dependent on how secure the company is all about. So this is what I want you to know very well about our business and our AGN. AGN is actually creating what they call a new approach to sustainable networking business. We are the first to introduce the association approach, union approach, and teaming concept, as well as the cooperative approach in the networking business. We are also the first to introduce a multiple project program and approaches in networking. We now have 4 projects running. We are also the first to introduce OTOOP, which is the one-time out-of-pocket program. We have systems that take care of it. What it means by this is that you can start with one project, and as you earn some from that project, you can get the second, the third, and then the 4th project. That's how you do this one time. And we have a bridge in order to do that. And also, we are the first in proposing a never be alone and never be a victim again to all who understand the true network business by uniting the AGN working group. So that's how we create that true power. I wonder what will be the situation if there is no networking AGN. There is no AGM. That means to say, if there's no AGN, you are a solo. You are doing it alone. Not only that, you got no support. That means to say you are training your own team. That will be very hard if you have hundreds of them. They got no AGN Academy because there is no system. They got no protection. They can take their own risks, and they don't have any. They only have one project. That means there's no sustainability. That means they got no mentor as well, because they don't have the AGN system. What you can say, oh, Dr. Ben, I still have my upline. Usually your upline is also new into this business, so they don't have anything to tell you. That is the difficult part. Sometimes that's how I started, by the way. I don't have an upline that is very knowledgeable, so I sort and I look for a guy that has a knowledge into this business. And that's what I do. I travel about 1,600 miles away from Florida to North Carolina in order to go and learn the system. That's what it's all about. So my friend, it is very important to have a system. AGN, as I say, is a new approach of building networking business. We are building as an association, building as a union, building as a cooperative, and building as a united team, protecting, helping, and supporting each other. This is the wonderful part. So welcome to AGN. And today is our training day, Saturday. Actually, it's supposed to be 7 p.m., but we are a little bit, a little late, a little bit. So we apologize for that, but you are here anyway. Thank you very much for coming. So let me start by introducing what is the meaning of this training. This training is about the concept and methodology of AGN education system. If you are familiar with any of this basic teaching, please do keep quiet, review it, practice it, and teach it to your people. Use the AGN system on your favor so that you don't need to do all this training and supporting your team. We will do it for you. Remember, every training system has a unique difference over the other. You cannot say you heard this before and you know everything. No, it's not true. There is always something new about any training that I do. As a matter of fact, I never repeat any training. It is recorded at the moment. And since it is recorded, then you can request, your team leader in order to provide you the information. So our subject today is very simple. AGN, income opportunity as a project. This is the subject that I want to talk to you today. Why? Because I look at it as a project. Many of you look at it as a business. For me, I'm looking at it as a project. Many of you looking at it as a membership program. I am looking at it as a project. Let me tell you the difference. If you are looking at it as you are a member, that means to say you are depending onto this company. But if you're looking at it as a project, you are only running this thing as a project. There is a start and there is a finish. If you're looking at this thing as a business, that means to say you understand that there is a demand and supply on every business opportunity that we have. If you start a business today, let's say you start a restaurant today, guaranteed, my friend, that you're going to be doing more work that you cannot imagine. First of all, you have to do advertising and somebody has to do the cooking. Somebody has also do the cleaning and also washing of the dishes and everything. Everything is about business. That's what it's all about. But in a project, most of this project, they already have a built-in system. So all I need to do is to do what is necessary in order to build it. So what is necessary in here? If they tell me that I have to go advertise, I do that. If they tell me that I have to sponsor somebody, I do that. If they tell me to go and attend the training, I do that. This is what I mean by a project. So this is very important. Remember that if you are in charge of a project, that means to say you have responsibility. So with the business. But as a member, you don't have much responsibility because you are just following. That is as a member. I don't want you to be just a follower. I want you guys to be a project manager. I want you guys to be the business entrepreneur that you're supposed to do. It's very, very important for you to understand, because if you don't know that you have this business, then it doesn't matter if you lose or you have profit. But if you own this business, you want to succeed. Not only you want to succeed, you want to make it profitable. Why? Because you own the business. Yes, you are working with some company, which is a third-party provider. That is the reason why I called it project, because you're working on a third party and you're running this thing as a project and you have responsibility in order to succeed. So you look at it as a business. So you are a business person and you have a multiple project. That's what we want you to do. Okay, my friend. So as we continue, let us answer some of these points. Why AGN view networking business as a project? Networking today is different than the old days. Very different. Why? Most networking business today are short term only. Most networking project has a start and an end. Networking are trendy and may lose appeal easily. I will explain all this thing for you guys, okay? Networking are based on demand and supply. Networking are Many networking are copy of other program. You can see this many places all over. Many networkings are overpaying and unfunded to attract you. AGN view as a project to prepare members, and AGN project always have a plan for continuity. The number 7 and number 8 is about the AGN on how to prepare you. So my friend, I want you to learn this thing, this concept. I understand that knowledge is power, but cannot produce anything without using it. So you have to use the knowledge and to become a power. That's what it's all about. Now let's go on the first number 1. Most networking business are short term. Why is that thing happen? Okay, so network marketing business today is different from the old days, from networking in the old days, because networking before are product based. Now it's not a product based, okay? Mostly ROI based. Networking before our long-term project. It took me 6 years to build my own project when I joined my first networking. Networking before allows individual to learn. Okay, meaning to say, I can make a mistake and I can continue. Before, business is slow and take time to build. It is very true. It takes me very long time to build. Networking today is a full of hype and a showcase. You can see people saying that you can become a millionaire so easily. Well, my friend, you need to earn your first dollar in order for you to become a millionaire. Most networking today are investment based. So networking today requires quick decision and speed. Quick decision and speed. So topic number 1, okay? Why most networking at short termer? Because most networking plan has no big budget. This is the reason why they are short termer. Most company needs to build fast to succeed. In other words, whatever they got, they pay you back. Most company cannot gain a strong momentum. Why is that? Because people are still minded the old timer. Okay, it's not fast decision making. Most member cannot keep pace on the compensation plan. Most people has there are many changes of compensation plan. There are many twists that they put in, and that thing can make people make it complicated or confused. Most compensation plan is not designed for sustainability. I said that because most of it is for short term only. Most company hire scammer to start a business. This is the worst part. Company lacks system. The company lacks system and plan to propagate the business. This is what it is all about. They leave it to some of the people that don't have a system. And what will happen is that if you get involved with those people that don't have a system, it will make it more shorter. That is the truth, and that is happening nowadays. We are telling you all the truth here, my friends. So these are all the issues why most networking are short-termer. Okay, the second question is why networking treated as a project with AGN? AGN leadership sees income opportunity as a base on long-term experience and implementation. AGN sees as a set period of implementation. There is a set period of implement. There is a beginning or pre-registration or pre-launching that you are already experiencing with HBBA today. HBBA is one of the projects of AGN. Understanding networking today, AGN needs to know when to start early, not too late, okay? And this is the reason why AGN has started HBBA during the time of pre-registration so that we can prepare you to start seeing your successes before they even launch. AGN understand that when to exit the project before deadline and plan for a safe exit. This is why we treat every project or every income opportunity as a project at AGN, because we understand that they are short-termer. By doing a multiple project, then it will have continuity, and not only continuity but sustainability of income. All right, my friend. What I said in here is that we need to start early. I will show you what happened now. At HBBA, this is what they plan to do. This is what they call the MPP program, the Membership Propagation Program. We are now into this level. We are here between level 4 and level 5. So now over 1,000, 2,000 people, something like that. Okay, so this is the build-up that we have. And this is the 8 weeks periods that we have put together. Now the numbers will start to duplicating. As we duplicate, this thing will become bigger and bigger and bigger. That is the whole idea. So the idea is an arithmetic progression that when you start your team by 10 people, it will be 10, that 10, that 10, that 10, that also sponsor 10, month by month or week by week, and then the numbers will start to become an arithmetic progression. That's what it's all about. The target is 10 million people. Okay, this is what they have budgeted. But I know that they will be budgeting for more. That is the most important part that you guys need to know. So this is very exciting part to be with AGN HBBA project. What is trendy and appealing to the people? The networking business is trendy and appealing when it is new and simple program. When the business plan is not complicated and easy to understand. These are the two main ingredients of trendy and appealing. When non-networkers are participating, then it is appealing to people. When networker can sponsor members easily, this is the appealing part of the people. Do not focus the networker, my friends. I want you to focus on the people that never really had any experience about networking. It is very important for you. You will find them more easier to talk to, because the networker tried to compare you with any other project that they know, but our project is not very near to whatever they have, because we are a referral program. When it different from other network around us, this is very important. When the project is different from any other network around us, meaning to say we are original. It is losing appeal when no one is joining or no one in there. Okay, they cannot be copied. That's what it's all about. So that trend means when it is new and simple program, and they have a compensation plan or a business plan that is not complicated. And of course, many people are joining. What does it mean by this? I'll show you a very simple thing and a process. It is actually a 1, 2, 3. This is you. You join an HBBA by registering. Okay, when you register, you deposit. That is number 2. And then number 3 is do the daily tasks. That is 1, 2, 3. This is as simple as this. Okay, now what would you do next? You can also sponsor your direct team. This particular thing, you must focus on your direct team. Not like the other program, like the binary, that you have to go and help all the way down. Here, you have to focus on your personal direct. HBBA is about advertising, new and trendy and appealing to young people. Why? Because they love Facebook. If you like Facebook or you like all this social media thing, this is perfect for you. HBBA perfectly comes in time of no job and lockdown and working from home. This is very, very trendy for home-based business people. That's what it's all about, okay? This is where today I earn my income. This is where Mr. Obaid earned his income. We're working like you guys do. This is the amazing part, that you and me is working together. That's very interesting. All right. Now, number 4 is that why network needs demand and supply. Of course, business is business. In business, you need to know that there is a demand to your business so you can supply. If there is no demand, who you to supply? Where are you gonna supply? The basis of every business is a good flow of demand and supply. Lack of demand can be disastrous business. Lack of supply can be big problem too. A balance of demand and supply means stability and sustainability. I want you to get all this wisdom together. The balance of demand and supply means stability and sustainability. It's very, very important. HBVA business is now picking up a good flow of demand and supply. The sign, a good sign of progress is coming. And congratulations to all of you that are already with HBBA, because this is the start of a momentum. In reality, I am really very, very happy to tell you that the number is started to really take off very fast. That's what they call momentum. Okay? So now, my friend, number 5, what is a copy of other program? Okay, you already know. A copy, many companies today, if you look around, their compensation plan is the same as binary. Everybody is binary, 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 because they think it is easier to do binary. My friend, in a binary, you need two teams, the left team and the right team. And you're gonna contest with me and you're gonna say, yeah, but in a binary, they give me a power line. Brother, power line or no power line is still a binary. At the end of the day, you have to do a balanced business. Left side and right side. If they don't balance, you don't have any income. That is the truth. So copy of the other company is like a standard binary compensation plan. It is the same as the other. They copy others who succeeded, but no longer trendy and appealing. People are familiar too. They don't need to think about it anymore, and they will push the upline, of course, to provide them what they call a power line. They are a me too, or copy you, or same you. Okay, that's what it's all about. They're not original. It is a duplication of company program, of other company program. The problem of the copy of other program, they are susceptible to failure because it is a second choice. It is your second choice. And you can say to me, oh, Ben, I am more familiar with binary. My friend, in binary, you have to sponsor two to have left side and right side. In HBBA, you sponsor one, direct. Okay, you focus on your direct. You can sponsor as many as you want. Every person you sponsor depend on income for you. It is an income for 16 weeks, 17 weeks, or 20 weeks. That is very good. But in a binary, it is only an income for 1 day or maybe 1 hour, whatever it is. If you sponsor one, that could be for the day. But for us, if we sponsor one in HBBA, we will be earning on that person for 16, 17, or 18 weeks. That's the beautiful part. That is what HBBA is all about. So my friend, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about continuity. So this is what I call AGN New HBBA. So it's a new project, you know. You can turn your $100 into $1,000 per week if you want. That's how you do that. You have to follow a system as simple as that. You know, so this is what it's all about. And you looking your new part-time fun job, AGN has a new HBBA. So this is all new today. Why new? Because they never even launches. As a matter of fact, they are on pre-registration, but during the past 8 weeks that we introduced this thing, many people has already been making 500, 600, 700, and even $1,000 a week. This is really amazing. How is it going at the moment? Okay, now we go to the next subject. Is sixth subject is what is the meaning of overpaying an unfunded project? Sige, ang overpaying is actually about the compensation plan. The reason why they have short life is because the compensation plan are paying too much, especially in a binary. In a binary, it is unpredictable. Why? Because if in binary, if you know exactly how to do stacking, then what will happen is the company is paying you over 160 or 180% of whatever deposited in a day. This is really very bad. And that breaks a company. So that means to say, in a binary, if you do it very fast, then it's also very short-term company. And if you do it much slower, then it will take a little bit more longer. Overpaying compensation plan may be designed to attract members, but beware of your exposure. Be careful into this. Company enforce overpaying and compensation plan if they have no funding to start the business. So if they don't have any funding or a budget to start the business, this is what they do. They try to give an overpaid, hopefully that you will participate very quickly and very soon it will die. However, with our project, HBBA is funded to accumulate 10 million members. They actually have a budget in order to get 10 million members. The question is, what happened after 10 million? I believe what they will do after 10 million, there will be business that comes along that we will still be involved with them. That is the whole idea of this. Because remember, my friend, every company out there today is looking for a group, a number of people, a multitude of people, which is what we are doing at AGN. We want to accumulate tens of thousands of people so that when we talk to the company, we just tell them, look, you can give us a discount or you can give us a compensation. We can build this business for you in every parts of the world that we have people in. So this is the good part. So that's what is the project. That's the AGN project support or the project concept that we have. So my friend, it's very important for you to understand what is overpaying and unfunded. So my friend, HBBA is funded. HBBA believes that people begets people and money begets money while working from home. HBBA believes that they can implement the AMPP program, which is the Members Propagation Program, by using the power of duplication. HBBA believes that they can put together a budget of $5 million to gather a target 10 million members and beyond. This is the reason why they are paying us 50% to whatever we deposit, okay? So in other words, if we have 10 1,000 members, that will be the possibility, right? 50%. So HBBA uses an home-based business adverts to start the momentum. You do it, we pay you. That is the concept that they have. So HBBA is a budgeted business concept, my friend. So number 7, why AGN view networking as a project? Now we got into this thing. All networking are viewed by AGN as a project to highlight that project is not forever. I repeat this one. All networking are viewed by AGN as a project to highlight that networking is not forever. Very true, my friend. Networking business has a beginning and has an eventual end. It's very true. The success to succeed in networking is all about timing, the right timing. Start early and build as fast as you can. Like HBBA, now is the right timing. Work hard and build your team now. Don't wait. Remember the saying, early bird get the early worm. That's what it's all about. So this is the wisdom I want you to understand. Okay. So now, what are they doing? What are the milestone of HBBA? HBBA was founded in the UK in May 2020. September, we started the pre-registration over here. I talked to the owner, and this is what they said. They wanted to go and start the HBBA launching on the January 2021, and March 2022 they would like a New Year event and goal setting conference, and then July they have a mid-year event and recognition convention, and December 2021 will be a happy end year event and appreciation convention. So these are some of the milestones that they already provided to us, and we look forward to seeing them, as well as all this convention. Hopefully the pandemic will be over by then. So that's important that we need to know. Okay, in addition to that, my friend, what is the meaning of continuity from AGN? In networking business, it is important to have continuity plan. By doing so, no running out of income and project to earn income from. It has to be a continuity. Okay? No, nothing is stopping. It has to have continuity and sustainability. AGN always prepare to have a multiple project to be available for AGN members. As an AGN members, you are my friend. We must be open-minded that every project has an end. They are not forever. Stay vigilant and beware that networking today is not like the old days. My friend, the first company I joined long time ago, 1990, is still existing today. It's a product-based company. So this is the old days. It still exists today. But most of the project today is not a product-based company. They are ROI-based company. That's what it's all about. So otherwise, there is a project like HBBA, which is actually have a target, and that's what it's all about. So I would like to tell you that we have 4 projects now, and these are the projects. This is the new approach of sustainable networking business, okay, by AGN. We have an AGN Academy. The founders is Dr. Ben and Mr. Obaid. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 projects at the moment. Okay, there will be more projects coming in. And then we have a trading platform if you like to do some trading. And the world is our marketplace. So every family, investor, traders, and networkers, and every opportunity seeker are all into the world market. That's what it's all about. Remember, we have 7 billion in population of the whole world, and we never even scratch the scratch at the moment. We are only in about 1,000 at the moment, 2,000 at the moment. So we still have a long way to do. That is the interesting part of this thing. Remember, my friend, this HBBA is a very simple program. Everything is 1, 2, 3 to me. So in other words, if you register and deposit, you buy an ad pack, and this is what you do. You will start earning week after week. Every Wednesday, you earn at HBBA. Okay, they have what they call a PSD. PSD is a premium share deposit. You have to deposit at least an amount of 100 all the way to 10,000 in order to do that. And this is the selection. Is in an ad pack from 100 to 10,000. Then you earn a dividend between 5 to 10% per week. Let's say if the PSD, okay, percentage is 9%, that will give you $90 per week for 1,000. That's what it's all about. It varies between 5 to 9 to 10%. So how long? That's the good part. How long is until they pay you a total of 150% of your money? Meaning to say your money come back 100% plus 50%. That is the total. So it could be 15 weeks, 16 weeks, all the way to 17 weeks or 20 weeks. It varies, whatever it is. Right now with the trend, we're talking about 16 or 17 weeks with the trend, because they're paying between 8.5 to 9% at the moment. So this is your right timing to join and be able to earn. Okay, so this is how you get how to get started with your HBBA. Select between 100 to 10,000. The more you put in, the more earning you have. Of course, if you have 100 times 9%, that'll give you $9. For 1,000, that will give you 90. For 10,000, that gives you 900. So it's really up to you, my friend. The second point is that how you grow the business. To grow the business, you can sponsor, direct sponsoring. This is my suggestion. Focus on your direct sponsoring. There is no limit on how many people you need to sponsor. You could actually start with your family, your mother, your father, your sister, your uncle, your auntie. You know, by the time you will have about 10, 20 people with you. So now what will happen is that they also know people. When they start making money, they will share it to their friends and to the other that you don't know. That's the good part. You know, you will get an earning into this thing. Okay. So if in case that person has put in 1,000 like you did, he earned $90. What happened is you will earn 16% of that $90 for sponsoring that person, and that will pay you week after week or week for 16, 17, or 18 weeks. This is the good part. Meaning to say it will never go down, right? Okay, now the third part that is important for you is how you can earn on the effort of your team. Yes, this is the downline already. You sponsor your first person. Now that person will go and sponsor somebody. You still earn money from that all the way to the level 9. That's the good part. In other words, that is 3%. Level 1, 3%, level 2, 3%, level 3, 3%, level, all the way to level 9. That is a very, very good point, okay? So it is very simple. So this particular thing is really trendy. Why? Because it's only 1, 2, 3. Like I said a while ago, follow the project entry and withdrawal system. How do you do this? When you get in, you register, you deposit some money. When you earn, you can try to withdraw, and you will receive it on a BTC in US dollars. That's what it's all about. Once you get it on a Bitcoin, then it is exchangeable to any currency that you want. But the most important part, my friend, this is just the entry and withdrawal system. There is what they call a system, and that system is very important. The success, the key to successful networking is a system. So this is basically you. Okay, remember, you must start the cycle. You are the leader. Okay, you start to learn it, and you start to practice it, and then after practicing it, you apply it, and then you teach it, and then these will be teach will be teach to the team, and this will be duplicated. Your team will do the same. They learn it, they practice it, they apply it, they teach it, and over and over and over. That's what they call system. We at AGN, we have a system, and this is what we are doing today. So this is how do you make your business very powerful. As you can see, we started by talking about the way we understand about a business. A business is a project, and we end up on a system. It's very important, my friend, that you understand that AGN is always enforcing a system. We never forget the system. You know why I said that? Because everything in our business can be duplicated. Okay? If you teach your people, they will know something. Okay? And if they know something, they will also practice it, apply it, and teach it. So it becomes a cycle. So once you educate your people, then the tendency is that it will be rotating in a cycle. And that's what they call a system. You make it easy for them, okay, easy for you, easy for them. So everything is very normal to do. Instead of managing these people, instead of being with them all the time, don't need. Once you educate them and they understand what they need to do, they will do exactly over and over like you did. So this is how we do AGN. This is how we do our businesses, my friend. So I end this training over here. As Mr. Obaid said, it could be an hour, it could be 30 minutes. Okay, now I decided that this thing is enough for the day, and then come Saturday, another training for you, and there will be another subject that I will come forward. So thank you very much. I hope you learned something today, and I trust that you learned something. Now you have to go and practice this and apply it so that you can become successful. And thank you very much. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. And I give you the AGN power. Power, power, power. Thank you very much. Sawadi.
Power, power, AGN power.
Power,
Power,
power, Asian
AGN
power.
power.
Okay, thank you very much. I will give
Thank
it
you
to
so much, our dear chairman, for
yes.
your precious time. We are thankful to you, and today we learn from you. So we are very, very excited. We are thankful